Hello, long time no see, and today I will talk about small and medium-sized companies.
Minute Material Innovation Nanotechnology Talk. Yip, 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 yip.
Before I talk about small and medium-sized companies, what is a very, very important thing, I think, let's check my numbers of followers on LinkedIn. I'm still growing in followers, so it's still rising, but the slope is going down a bit. And I recognized one thing. Is my numbers of following the temperature, which is rising currently due to the upcoming spring and summer? I don't know, but let's check what Bill is doing. Bill is still rising in numbers of followers, but not so fast anymore. But anyway, so still the difference is quite high, and I don't know how to catch up, but I will try again. So will I go viral with my blog? I don't think so. My growing rate is really disastrous, but what are you going to do? I will still try to improve it. And is there a relationship to the temperature which is rising at the moment? I don't know. Probably not. It doesn't matter. But let's talk about small and medium-sized companies. Why they are important, so important for us. One thing is, of course, because many people are employed by small and medium-sized companies. More than 80% of the people are working for such companies. On the other hand, small and medium-sized companies are the root of innovation. So many of new things are developed in small and medium-sized companies, from small and medium-sized companies. And today I like to stress a point which is very important, which we hear very often: what is the hidden champion, and what is the difference between the hidden champion in Germany and the hidden champion in Japan. Let's check it out. Let's firstly say what is the definition of a hidden champion. A hidden champion belongs to the top 3 in its own global market, or is the number 1 on its continent. So this means this is a very, very innovative company. And you can see that almost 50% of the hidden champions worldwide are from Germany. So there are many questions. Why Germany got such a big amount of hidden champions, in contrast to Japan, which got a similar demographic situation, which got a similar high-tech situation, and but they only got 8% of the worldwide hidden champions, in Germany 47 or something. So what is the difference between this country? This I will talk next week. And maybe I will talk next week why Germany got so many hidden champions. And one thing is, of course, the cultural thing. But so you need to wait 1 week to answer these questions. I'm so sorry. But let's go back to our Applied Smart Materials we held recently. You surely remember we had this free seminar for Applied Smart Materials where we talked about graphene and its application, carbon nanotube and its application, and CNT reinforced battery cathodes and so on. And simply to name a few, right? And one point was, it was crystal clear. What is the key point to transfer superior material into superior products? It's dispersion technology. And very soon, let me check, on June the 8th, we will have the Applied Materials 2, where we'll talk about processes. So we will talk about processes, how to process new material, and we will have many talks about new kinds of dispersing, mixing, milling of these materials. And you are always invited to join this seminar and to listen to this, and you will find the link to the seminar below or above. I don't know how it will be, but you're of course very welcome to join here. So that's it for today. And I talked a bit about small and medium-sized companies. Next week we talk about Japan. I invited you to the Applied Smart Materials 2, and it would be great to see you there. And next week we'll talk about details about the difference about Japanese and Germany's small and medium-sized companies. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Minute Material Innovation Nanotechnology Talk. Yip, 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 yip.